Hi everyone, my name's Jack and I'm from Duck and Dry Salons, and this is my lovely model for today, Bianca. Now Bianca's one of the influencers that we work with here, and she's a beauty enthusiast, so she's great for today. What we're going to do is create one of our signature looks, which is the low tide wave, which gives you all the glamour, all of the volume, and this beautiful textured finish. Key product for this style is oomph. Now this is a dry texture spray. We're going to work it through before and after tonging, giving you loads of volume, loads of texture, and making sure that your style lasts. Because I think with tonging, that's the main thing that most people struggle with, is that it just drops. This prevents that happening. I'm going to prep the hair with the TLC Blow Dry Primer. Now this is my go-to for any sort of hair that needs a little bit of taming first. It detangles, defrizzes, controls the hair, and just gives you manageability overall, as well as heat protection, which is good when you're using a heated tong. Just work it through. With Bianca's hair, we've just dried it off 100%. I've run a brush through just the top layer just to smooth it slightly, but really just want to keep as much volume in there as possible. And now what I'm going to do is work all the way through the hair with the oomph. What this is going to do is it's going to give us that grip on the tong to really make sure that the style lasts for longer. With the product, what you really want to make sure is that you work it all the way from root through to the end. And the more hold you want, the more product you have to use. Don't be afraid of product. Now that we've worked the oomph all the way through the hair, I'm going to use a medium barrel tong. You can use whatever tong you've got at home. And literally I'm going to create like an S-shaped wave, which I'm just going to leave in individual, I call them like noodles. So just section roughly. You don't need to be super neat with your sectioning, you just want to make sure that you've got probably about 2 inches wide sections. So put your tong in, and you want to twist the hair around as you go down the tong. And don't clamp it, because what we want to do is keep the volume in the curl. If you close the clamp, flattens it, and we want to give her loads of volume. And then leave it in that like noodle section and let it all cool down before you brush it through. The cooling stage is the most important because that allows the style to set. So if I get you to take the oomph from me, and literally I want you to work the product all the way through the hair on the styled hair now while it cools down. So pop your head to the side and just work it like underneath. Perfect. A little bit more. Don't be shy. And other side, perfect. And then if you don't mind, I'm actually going to get you to put your head forward, so I might spin you around a little bit. And then all the way forward for me. Perfect, and flick it back. Give me a J-Lo flick. Love. Okay, so what you want to do now is literally just use your fingers just to tease the hair out. So, yeah. Perfect, so this is our finished result. As you can see with Bianca's hair, we've got loads and loads of volume. It's super texturized, which means we get loads of definition with the color, and she's got super loads of volume on top. Oomph is the one product we've used for this, and it literally gives us so much security to make sure that style lasts. How's it feel?
It feels amazing. It feels so secure and just textured.
Beautiful. Cool. Right, well that's our finished look. This is the low tide wave. I'm going to leave you with your hair, okay?